Hello everyone, welcome to this wonderful magical journey where you start living a life full of happiness. Yesterday we talked about relationship, the importance of relationship in our life and how we can magically heal the relationships we had in our lives. Like we can heal our relationships, वो relationship which we lost touch with, and maybe some of the relationship जो we took them for granted, we just didn't give them time and our effort because there were some challenges which we were facing, there were some problems which we were facing at that time. तो कुछ difficulties आ जाती हैं life में, and then there are differences in the relations. So how we can heal with the power of gratitude, because it is so important to identify those relations because they supported us at the time when we most needed it. It can be our parents, उनका तो कभी हम कर्जा नहीं चुका सकते because they nurtured us. It can be any friend whom we lost touch with. It can be any relative, some cousin, some neighbor, because they supported you, they helped you, they were very caring with you, but we lost touch with them. तो कैसे हमने उनसे connect होना है? Through the power of gratitude, and there was a few assignments to be done जिससे हम वो connect हो पाते हैं. See, the logic here is that when you connect with them through your gratitude, the feeling of gratitude, then you get back those feelings. You get back those situations where you are more grateful. मतलब आपको वो situations बार बार लाइफ में आती है जहां आप और शुक्राने करें. So that is a positive thinking. Because if you start being grateful for what you have now, what happens is you get similar situations in life for which you be more grateful for. और अगर आप हमेशा कंप्लेंट जोन में रहते हैं, आप सोचते हैं कि मेरे साथ तो उसने ये नहीं ठीक करा, उसने मुझे ऐसे बोल दिया, एंड देन यू आर स्टक समवेयर. तो जहां पर भी आप स्टक हो जाते हैं लाइफ में, प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड दैट यू आर लिविंग इन द सर्वाइवल मोड. You are not coming out of it, you are holding on to the moment. So you have to come out of that moment and take charge of your life in a way that you start giving gratitude to what you have in life rather than what you don't have. तो जो भी आपकी लाइफ में कुछ अच्छा हो रहा है उनको सोचते हुए आपको ये लाइफ मिली है. इट्स अ गिफ्ट गिवन टू अस बाय द गॉड एंड द यूनिवर्स. तो उसके लिए शुक्राना. जो ये सांसें मिली है उनके लिए शुक्राना. जो हम चल पा रहे हैं अपनी लाइफ में उसके लिए शुक्राना. So these small steps when we take and we understand that what all great things we have in our life for which we can be really grateful for. Because see, the moment we start being grateful, the whole perspective changes, and our mindset is the biggest asset in the world. The transformation starts, and that is a guaranteed transformation which I am telling you. आपको खुद महसूस होगा, क्योंकि जब आप ग्रैटिट्यूड में होते हैं तो देयर इज अ फीलिंग ऑफ हैप्पीनेस. और जब हैप्पी हो जरूरी नहीं है कि आप ग्रैटिट्यूड मोड में. ग्रैटिट्यूड मतलब जब आप कुछ अप्रिशिएट कर रहे हैं, जब आप एक्नॉलेज कर रहे हैं किसी की फीलिंग को, किसी के रिश्ते को, दैट इज द फीलिंग ऑफ ग्रैटिट्यूड. यू आर सेइंग थैंक यू. आपको आभार होता है उनके लिए, आपको शुक्रिया होता है, थैंक यू होता है, धन्यवाद. ऑल दीज आर different words for being grateful. तो जब आप गुड फीलिंग जोन में होते हैं तो हाउ डू यू फील? I shared the
Hap-
chart also earlier,
Happy.
like those who have joined today, maybe they can also add, but others also, those who have been coming regularly. Good feelings zone में क्या feelings आती हैं आपको?
Happy,
Happy,
elated,
elated,
Joy,
yes.
excitement,
Joy,
happiness, love.
excitement, love, yes. Very nice.
Love
और
is the
bad
biggest
feelings में
feeling.
कौन सी बोलिए?
Ma'am, love is the biggest feeling.
Love is the biggest feeling, then comes gratitude
Yes, ma'am.
or contentment, hope, excitement, joyfulness,
Ma'am,
cheerfulness.
ma'am, when I woke up in the morning, some negative feeling came into my mind. Like, ma'am, you know that cases are increasing day by day.
Yes.
So I was feeling grateful that I'm still alive and my family is healthy.
Wonderful. See, the power of gratitude has come in your
Yes,
life.
ma'am.
That is so
Yes, ma'am.
magical. I mean, I am seeing a different Sandeep now. It's a 360
Yes, ma'am.
degrees turn, which I am seeing. I'm very happy for you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very happy for you. Good. सो ये फीलिंग एकदम से आती है. पहले मुझे भी होता था कि अच्छा अभी ये काम करना है, फटाफट भागो ये. Now I give those 2-3 minutes when I wake up in the morning. That is the time I bless. I say thank you God for whatever I have. I can walk. I can go to the kitchen. I can do all my work. I have hands to do all my work. I have eyes to see. शायद किसी किसी के पास नहीं है.
Because we have a healthy body right now.
We have healthy body, and we all were born healthy, whole, and complete. So we should be happy and cheerful and
Yes.
grateful to God and the universe for what we have. Okay, because every day may not be good, but there is something good every day. That is it.
Yes, ma'am.
So yesterday's assignment was just thinking, recollecting, and identifying those people in your lives which you lost control, which you lost touch with, and being grateful for them. That was the assignment. कोई भी एक जिनसे आप अभी नहीं टच में हैं, उनसे आप फिर से उनकी फोटो के थ्रू you can talk to that person. That is also an exercise. That is a kind of visualization. So today, जैसे आप अभी बता रहे हैं संदीप, that is a wonderful feeling. We will start our class with visualization technique for
Yes, ma'am.
healing, because today's chapter is on magic and miracles, chapter number 16 of the magic book. So
Okay.
before starting the chapter, we will do a small exercise on visualization, where those patients who are getting cured in hospitals, or those who have at this pandemic situation, and those otherwise also, like we have few members and their their further members are not keeping well. Like Anvi is not keeping well, who is Anjali's daughter, and Ganesh's wife is not well. Then Sangeeta's husband is not well. Surinder ji. So let us pray for all of them, and then we start. It will just take 1 minute. So rub your hands, everyone. Just rub your hands. Rub your hands, and just imagine, like, keep your hands parallel to each other. You will feel the vibration. You will feel the energy. Can you feel?
Yes.
Rub your hand and then feel the energy. Just keep it parallel, and you just imagine that there is this whole world, the globe. The earth is in between your palms. And just for a second, you heal those people whom you know they are not well, or whom you feel are patients and they need to get cured. So we give healing to them. Those who have done magic dust chapter, they can give magic dust on them. And just feel that they are getting cured. Surinderji is getting cured. Anvi is getting cured. Anju is getting cured. And all the patients in all hospitals are getting cured. We pray for all doctors, nurses, and staff for treating all the patients perfectly. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay. So you can open your eyes whenever you want to, and we start our class today. Welcome Pushpender ji, welcome Neelu ji. Welcome Rajita. Welcome Savita ji. Welcome Vidu. Okay, and everyone present. So let's start today. The chapter is on health, magic and miracles in health. ज़्यादातर लोग अपने शरीर की समस्याओं की बात करते हैं हमेशा जब भी हेल्थ के बारे में बात करनी होती है तो हम शुरू हो जाते हैं चाहे फ़ोन हो चाहे कहीं पे भी कि ये प्रॉब्लम चल रही है पैरों में बहुत दर्द है सिर दर्द 2 दिन से ठीक ही नहीं हो रहा उसको बुखार चढ़ रहा है मे बी देर ऑल रियल यू नो बट देन when we keep discussing about something you know it expands that is the law of the universe because जो जब भी हम किसी नेगेटिव इमोशन की बार बार बात करते हैं we are sending those negativity into the universe and they come back to us in many folds तो वही नेगेटिविटी को हम और बढ़ा रहे हैं we get similar situations for which we feel more negative so what is the right way of doing to be in the perfect health what is the concept of health Can anyone check from dictionary and tell me the correct meaning of health? Health का क्या मतलब है? You can check or you can just write in the chat box, unmute and tell me. Health का क्या मतलब है?
To be in a good state.
To be in a good state, yes. Okay.
Your mind and body works well.
Mind and body works perfectly well.
Coordinating.
Your well-being, your
Yes.
Being in happy state, ये सब health की definitions हैं. So are we in the perfect health? We were born whole, healthy, and complete. So, what happened because of stress and tension, because of environment pressure,
Yes, ma'am.
because of so many pressures, peer pressure, family pressure, our own pressure, because बहुत सारे challenges हैं life में और एक challenge हमारे mind में चलता रहता है between the subconscious mind and the conscious mind. There is always a conflict going on. तो हम खुद से ही कंफ्यूज रहते हैं हमेशा हमें खुद से ही लड़ना पड़ता है हमेशा दुनिया से तो हम तब लड़ पाएंगे जब हम खुद को झेल पाएं we cannot handle our lives so how can we come out of that how can we take charge of our life through the power of gratitude and how we can do this because ऐसा कब होता है कि जब हमारी लाइफ में when we are healthy feeling healthy ऐसा कब होता है when we are not complaining
When we are happy. When we are happy. Yes,
when
ma'am.
we are
When we are
happy
happy.
when we are absolutely thank you when we are happy and when we are not complaining तब हम अच्छा हेल्दी महसूस करते हैं और जब हम हेल्दी महसूस करते हैं दैट इज द टाइम व्हेन वी आर एनर्जेटिक तो हमारी हेल्थ का जो पैरामीटर है वो तब माना जाता है कि हम कितने एनर्जेटिक हैं लाइफ में कितना हम में वाइटैलिटी है कितना हम वी आर इन अ बेटर फ्रेम ऑफ माइंड बिकॉज हेल्थ इज नॉट जस्ट फिजिकल हेल्थ टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट योर माइंड your body and your soul nutrition. Okay. तो जब हम सोचते कि and when are we not in the good health, unhealthy state is when we are low in our energy. और हम ये महसूस करते हैं that we are always getting into complaints. हम ज़्यादातर complaint में आ जाते हैं, हम ज़्यादातर confuse हो जाते हैं, हम ज़्यादातर ये सोचते हैं कि तो मैं कर ही नहीं पाऊंगा क्योंकि मेंटल स्टेबिलिटी नहीं है खुद पे कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है so how can we improve that confidence in us how can we come out and take responsibility of our life and say that I am responsible for what I am responsible for what I have and I am responsible for what I do and that is when you are in the perfect state of health that is the state of well-being. So let us start today's chapter. I would like to show you something before starting to read.
We used to have our bright right of full health. The reality, however, is that a lot of people don't feel this way very often, if ever. Many people are dealing with illness problems with the functioning of their body or suffering from bouts of depression and other mental health problems, which are all states of less than full health. Gratitude is one of the fastest ways I know to magically begin experience that full state of health you are meant to have in your body and mind. All the miracles of healing we see happen are simply the result of full health being restored instantly in the human body, where before there was less than full and perfect health. If you don't think gratitude creates miracle in your healthy and health and body, then read some of the thousand of the miracle stories on the secret website, the secret TV stories.
ओके सो सीक्रेट बुक है उसकी वेबसाइट पे द सीक्रेट स्टोरीज है जहाँ पे कैसे मैजिकली हेल्थ को इम्प्रूव किया गया थ्रू द पावर ऑफ ग्रैटिट्यूड और कैसे उन्होंने बिलीव करा अपने बिलीव सिस्टम से बाहर आए और अपनी हेल्थ में मिरेकल्स लेके आए एंड दीज आर ऑल ट्रू स्टोरीज यस प्लीज
Gratitude's magical power increases the natural flow of health to the mind and body and can assist the body in healing more quickly, as countless studies have shown. The magical power of gratitude also works hand in hand with good bodily care, nutrition, and any medical assistance you might have chosen to follow.
Okay, so
When
like
they
whenever there is any challenge in our life, I call challenge instead of saying problem. तो कभी भी कोई चैलेंज आता है लाइफ में इट इज लाइक जैसे हम सोचते हैं कि जब एंजाइटी होती है तो क्या होता है कि स्टमक गेट्स अपसेट
Yes, ma'am.
व्हेन देयर इज हेडेक सो देयर इज प्रॉब्लम विद आवर थॉट्स कोई एक थॉट है जो बार बार आती है तो हमें वो प्रॉब्लम आ जाती है सो इट इज सेड दैट whenever you have some pain in the body our body communicates through pain अगर कहीं चैलेंज होता है ये तो वो कैसे कम्युनिकेट करेगी सो दैट इज द वे ऑफ कम्युनिकेटिंग दिस इज said by Lucy Hay in her book Heal Your Body. Yes, yes, please.
When there is some kind of sickness or condition in your body, it is understandable that you may have negative feelings about it.
All of you can hear? सबको ठीक से सुनाई दे रहा है? Okay, Sandeep, you can be a bit loud. Yeah,
Like worry, frustration, or fear. Ma'am, am I audible right
yeah,
now?
yeah. Perfect. Thank you.
But having negative feelings about sickness does not restore health. In fact, it has the opposite effect. It reduces health even more. To increase your health, you need to replace the negative feelings with the good feelings, and gratitude is the easiest way to do it. Many people also have critical thoughts and feelings of dissatisfaction about their physical appearance. Unfortunately, those thoughts and feelings also reduce the magical flow of your health. When there is something you don't like about your body, you are not being grateful for your body. Then think about it. By the law of attraction, complaints about your body bring more problems to complain about. And so, complaining about your body or appearance
What's
puts
your
your puts your very health at risk. Whoever does not have gratitude for their health and their body, even what he or she has will be taken from him or her.
okay?
Whoever
These are beautiful lines which says that जिसके पास अपनी हेल्थ के लिए शुक्राना नहीं है तो जो उसके पास है वो भी ले लिया जाएगा जो उसके पास क्या है जो उसके पास हेल्थ से रिलेटेड है जो भी जो कुछ अच्छा है वो भी ले लिया जाएगा because that is the law of the universe if you don't give gratitude to what you have in life at the moment तो जो आपके पास ठीक चल रहा है वो भी आपसे ले लिया जाएगा and you start feeling more stress more tension in life suppose like you have some pain in your body तो हमने उस बॉडी पार्ट उस पेन को थैंक यू नहीं बोलना दैट विल अगेन एग्रीवेट आपने थैंक यू बोलना है उस ऑर्गन को and for the other organs for being in the perfect state क्योंकि उसकी वजह से आप चल पा रहे हैं उसकी वजह से we don't know how many systems and organs are working perfectly in our body involuntary मतलब वो खुद से ही चल रहे हैं हम उसमें कुछ नहीं कर रहे हैं our heart beat All the kidneys are functioning perfectly. Each and every cell, हमारी बॉडी में खुद cells regenerate होते रहते हैं. But if we give positive affirmations and through visualization, that we visualize we are in the perfect health and state of mind and well-being, तो क्या होता है? We attract more situations in life for which we are grateful for. Yes, please.
Whoever has gratitude for their health and their body will be given more, and he or she will have an abundance of health to their body. And some disturbances there.
Okay, let me check. Please mute everyone. Safety. Okay, you please continue. I will see.
You may be sick or unwell now, or even in a lot of pain. But if you are reading these words, you are continuing to receive the gift of health. It can be very difficult to access feelings of gratitude when sick or in pain. But even the smallest bit of gratitude helps increase the magical flow of health to the body. Today's practice, Magic and Miracles in Health, is designed to dramatically increase your health and happiness. And we are going to take a triple pronged approach to accelerate the results.
Step 1.
Step 1, Health you have received. Think about the great health you have received throughout your childhood, adolescence, and adult life. Think about the times when you felt full of energy and you were happy. Recollect three separate times in your mind when you felt on top of the world. Say the magic words, thank you, and feel sincere gratitude for those times. If you think back to the big moments in your life, you will be able to recollect three separate times very easily. Step
Okay,
2,
तो आपको स्टेप 1 में क्या करना है? You have to recollect 3 separate times in your mind when you felt on top of the world. वो क्या हैप्पी मोमेंट्स थे आपकी लाइफ में जब आप बहुत खुश थे? कोई आपको कभी प्राइज मिला हो कुछ स्पोर्ट्स में, या कोई ऐसे हैप्पी मोमेंट्स, जो आप रिकलेक्ट कर सकते हैं ड्यूरिंग योर चाइल्डहुड एंड मे बी ड्यूरिंग योर कॉलेज डेज. तो वो क्या हैप्पी मोमेंट्स थे? कभी आपको कुछ अवार्ड मिला हो, कोई आपका बर्थडे सेलिब्रेशन के टाइम, या जो भी जब आपकी हेल्थ बिल्कुल परफेक्ट थी. उस सिचुएशन में आप भाग रहे थे, माउंटेन क्लाइंब कर रहे थे, और जस्ट इमेजिन थिंकिंग अबाउट दैट टाइम व्हेन यू वर इन योर परफेक्ट हेल्थ. दिस इज वन ऑफ द विजुअलाइजेशन टेक्निक विच वी डू. तो इसमें 3 इंस्टेंसेस लिए जाएंगे, पास्ट, प्रेजेंट और फ्यूचर. एंड देन यू गो बैक टू योर पास्ट एंड यू थिंक मोर डीपली. जब भी आप कुछ सोच रहे हैं तो यू हैव टू पुट योर फीलिंग्स इनटू इट, बिकॉज ये फीलिंग्स की दुनिया है. थॉट से फीलिंग्स आती है, फीलिंग से वाइब्रेशंस आती है, एंड वाइब्रेशन इज द लैंग्वेज ऑफ द यूनिवर्स. व्हेन यू गिव पॉजिटिव फीलिंग्स एंड वाइब्रेशंस टू द यूनिवर्स, इट कम्स बैक टू यू इन मेनी फोल्ड्स. तो
like an
आपको क्या
echo.
करना है? आपको वो बिल्कुल पॉजिटिव फीलिंग के साथ विद गुड एनर्जी, जो भी आपकी बेस्ट फीलिंग रही है पास्ट में, जहाँ आप अपनी परफेक्ट हेल्थ में थे, उसको याद करते हुए just go back to your memory lane and think about that situation with feeling. Yes, step 2.
Step 2, Health you are continuing to receive. Think about health you are continuing to receive today and feel grateful for every organ, system, and physical sense that is currently working well in your body. Think about your arms, legs, hands, eyes, ears, liver, kidney, brain, or heart. Choose 5 functions of your body that are well, and one by one mentally say the magic words thank you for each one.
Yeah. तो अभी जो ठीक चल रहे हैं, अभी जो जो बॉडी पार्ट्स ठीक चल रहे हैं, उनमें से कोई भी 5 बेस्ट आप ले लीजिए, जो फंक्शंस आपको लगता है कि वो बिल्कुल परफेक्ट स्टेट में, और एक के बाद एक मेंटली उनको आप बोलेंगे, थैंक यू फॉर माय eyes, thank you for my arms, thank you for my legs for working perfectly, I can walk anywhere. तो ऐसे आप 5 चूज करेंगे बॉडी पार्ट्स, ऑर्गन्स, जो बिल्कुल ठीक फंक्शन कर रहे हैं. थैंक यू फॉर माय हार्ट, for working perfectly well for me 24/7. Yes, step 3.
Step 3. Health you want to receive. You are going to choose one thing you want to improve about your body for today's magical practice. But you are going to use gratitude's magical power for it in a very particular way. Think about the ideal state of what you want to improve. When you give thanks for the ideal state of anything, you have put into motion to receive back that ideal state. Very often, when a person is diagnosed with an illness or disease of some kind, they will not only talk about it a lot, but they will research the disease, gathering information about its possible worsening symptoms and dreaded outcomes. In other words, they give their entire focus to the disease. However, the law of attraction says that we can't make a problem go away by focusing on it, because focusing on the problem can only make the problem worse. Instead, we should do the exact opposite and focus on the ideal state for the area of our body that is unwell, and give our thoughts and feelings to that. Gratitude for the ideal state of any part of our body powerfully uses our thoughts and feeling together, so we magnetize it to us in one fell swoop.
swoop. Okay, so what we do normally is जो भी बॉडी पार्ट अच्छे से फंक्शन नहीं कर रहा होता तो हम उसके बारे में ही डिस्कस करते रहते हैं, उसके बारे में फोकस करते हैं। एक चीख भी आ जाए तो हम फटाफट गूगल करते हैं कि देखे क्या है, कुछ है तो नहीं, अभी पैंडेमिक चल रहा है, कहीं वो प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं होगी, और गूगल तो उसी टाइम बोलता है कि जल्दी से चेकअप कराओ
Yes,
भाई।
ma'am, exactly.
दिस इज व्हाट हैपन, सो यू आर क्रिएटिंग दैट इन योर लाइफ। आप खुद ही अपनी लाइफ में क्रिएटिविटी, ऐसी नेगेटिविटी ला रहे हैं, because we are the creators of our life, our mind does that।
Yes, ma'am.
तो हमें उस थिंकिंग, उस नेगेटिव थिंकिंग माइंड से हमको बाहर आना है। वी हैव टू पुल आउट द नेगेटिविटी फ्रॉम दैट एंड फिल इट विद द पॉजिटिविटी। तो हमें क्या करना है, ठीक है, यू डोंट इग्नोर इट, डोंट अवॉइड द सिचुएशन, यू टेक प्रॉपर केयर व्हाट इज रिक्वायर्ड, बट with that you give healing to it, with that you say that yes, my organ is working perfectly well। तो जो बॉडी पार्ट जो ठीक चल रहे हैं आप उनके बारे में फोकस करिए, और साथ साथ उसको भी करिए। अगर आप मेडिसिन भी खा रहे हैं, सो से दैट थैंक यू, आई एम हीलिंग माय बॉडी। यू थिंक ऑफ द आइडियल स्टेट, जो आपकी परफेक्ट स्टेट रही है उसके बारे में सोचिए कि मैं ये दवाई खा के बिल्कुल ठीक हो रहा हूँ। यस प्लीज।
So, if you want, spend 1 minute in visualizing a scene of yourself with the ideal state of your body that you want. And as you see your body in your mind, the way you want it to be grateful for it as though you have received it. So, if you want to magically restore health to your kidneys, be grateful for strong and healthy kidney that filter and sift out all the waste products from your body. If you want to magically restore health to your blood, be grateful for pure and healthy blood that flows oxygen and nutrients to all parts of your body. If you want to magically restore health to your heart, give thanks for a strong and healthy heart that maintains the well-being of every organ in your body. If you want to magically improve your eyesight, then give thanks for excellent vision. If you want to improve your hearing, then give thanks for perfect hearing. If you want more flexibility, then give thanks for a perfectly supple and agile body. If you want to change your weight, first think about the ideal weight that you want to be. Then imagine yourself at that ideal weight and give thanks for it as though you have received it now.
मतलब
Whatever.
जब आप अपने आइडियल स्टेट का या आप अपने वेट के लिए सपोज आप थैंक यू करना है, तो उसके आप बोलेंगे आई एम सो ब्लेस्ड एंड ग्रेटफुल फॉर माई आइडियल वेट इज, जो भी 60 kg है, जो भी आपका आइडियल वेट है, जो आप चाहते हैं कि वो आइडियल वेट बने, तो आप वो इमेजिन करिए। यू विजुअलाइज इट, यू थिंक अबाउट इट, एंड यू वट एवर यू eat and drink. Of course, you take control of your diet and you do proper physical exercise. Along with that, you think and visualize that you are improving in your health. Your weight is coming to an ideal state. Rather than कई बार क्या होता है कि हम इतने जिम कर रहे हैं, हम एक्सरसाइज कर रहे हैं, फिजिकल एक्सरसाइज हो रही है हमारी, और हम फिटनेस प्रोग्राम्स ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं, बट हमारा वेट ही रिड्यूस नहीं हो रहा। और हम सबसे बात करें, पता नहीं यार ये ठीक नहीं जगह मैंने ज्वाइन करी है, वेट ही नहीं कम हो रहा, मुझे तो कुछ
it
फर्क ही नहीं पड़ रहा। उसने करा था, उसको तो फर्क पड़ गया, मुझे क्यों नहीं पड़ रहा? द थिंग इज दैट वी आर कंटिन्यूअसली थिंकिंग कि मुझे तो
complaining,
फर्क ही नहीं पड़ रहा, मैं तो
ma'am,
सब कुछ इतना कम खा रहा हूँ फिर भी नहीं,
dissatisfaction.
है ना? बिकॉज आवर माइंड, हम खुद ही अपने माइंड को कंफ्यूज कर रहे हैं। एक तरफ तो हम उसका ध्यान भी रख रहे हैं, एक तरफ हम ये सोच रहे हैं कि फर्क ही नहीं पड़ रहा। सो रादर देन फोकसिंग ऑन दिस नेगेटिव पार्ट and making our conscious mind more aware of the negativity and the subconscious mind getting deep into the negativity, let's train our subconscious mind with the positive thoughts that yes, I am improving on my health and I'm working on my weight, and my weight is now coming to the ideal state of this. तो फोकस अपना आपको कहाँ रखना है, दैट इज द मेन क्रक्स ऑफ दिस चैप्टर. You have to focus your mind, draw the attention of your mind, put it in the positive feeling zone with those good feelings which I just talked about, and then see the transformation. That is my guarantee to you. मतलब आपको अगर आप उसको पूरी conviction और commitment के साथ करेंगे, तो you will change, you will definitely have miraculous changes in life. Yes, please.
Whatever it is that you want to improve, first imagine yourself with the ideal state and then be grateful for the ideal state as though you have received it right now. Natural forces within us are the true healers of disease. Hippocrates, father of Western medicine. You can follow the magic and miracles in health practice every day if you need to. And you can do it multiple times in a day if you really want to accelerate the magical restoration of your health or the improvement of an aspect of your body. But it is vital that whenever you have a negative thought or feeling about the current state of your body or health, that you replace it immediately by visualizing yourself with the ideal state you want, and by being truly grateful as though you have already received it. The most effective way to guarantee health, other than taking good care of yourself physically, is to continue to be grateful for your health.
Yeah.
Practice number 16, magic and miracles in health. Count your blessings, make a list of 10 blessings, write why you are grateful for, reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. Recollect 3 separate times throughout your life when you felt on top of the world and give sincere thanks for those times. Think about 5 functions of your body that are well, and one by one give thanks for each one. Choose one thing about your body or health you want to improve and spend 1 minute visualizing yourself with the ideal state of your body or health. Then give thanks for this ideal state. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold the magic rock in one hand and say the magic words thank you for the best thing that happened during the day.
Thank you. Thank you, Sandeep, for reading
Thank you,
so
ma'am.
wonderfully. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So, this is a beautiful chapter which talks about how you can work on your mind, body, and soul. So, I have here with us physiotherapist Dr. Vidhu. So, Vidhu, would you like to add something to this? Hello, Vidhu, are you there? Can you all listen? आवाज आ रही है मेरी?
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, I think Vidhu left. Okay, she was supposed to give her views on this. Anyways, anyone would like to add something to this? All right, Gaurav sir, would you like to say something? You can unmute and speak, or you can write in the chat box.
Ma'am, everything is connected. Uh, connected with each other. Like if we are grateful for everything, we will feel positive, the positive thinking,
Yes.
like everything.
Yeah. They all are connected to each other. We
Yes,
need
ma'am.
to have a right kind of balance in all. तो इन सब में माइंड बॉडी एंड सोल में बैलेंस होना बहुत जरूरी है. Okay, that is it for today. And we conclude today's class. Thank you all so much for joining. See you
Thank you,
all
ma'am.
tomorrow again
Thank
with
you, ma'am, for
another
the beautiful
beautiful
section.
chapter on Magic Check. Thank you so much. Thank you
Okay.
for
Thank you,
Bye.
ma'am.
Bye, Didi.
bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Love you all. Bye.
Bye bye, ma'am.
Bye.
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 See you all tomorrow. Bye.